Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Are you drooling over the colors that other artists use, especially the inks like woo, wow? Well, I do it. I certainly do it. I'm sure if you're a painter, even you have got this painter's syndrome where we keep eyeing for new stuff and never happy with whatever we have. So today I'm going to explain you a new product, which are the inks. I will be reviewing the Camlin inks for you, telling you all about the pros and cons and doing a quick artwork. And I'm very sure that once you see this review, you'll be very sure of these inks and jump right on to get these. Let's go ahead and quickly start the review. So these are the Camlin transparent photo colors. This comes in 12 shade, 20 ml bottle each. And this is Camlin Cocoa, and each of these bottles come in this kind of dropper fashion. These are specially used for calligraphy, but we will be using these for our watercolor and see if this works or not. So this is the tube. You get a dropper like this. You can either use this or you can directly dip your brush onto the color and start using it. So let me quickly swatch it for you and tell you more about the shades that come into this box, and also which shades doesn't come, which will be something that you would want to get it separately. So let's go ahead and quickly swatch this out. Alright, so here are the shades. So in this box we get a stone gray color. This is not entirely black, but then when I applied it onto my painting, it did act as a complete black color. So I think we have to be applying a couple of layers to get a dark color, or if you are layering on top of a different color, then the stone gray will act as a black. But to be on the safer side, you can just go ahead and get a black watercolor altogether separately. So this is stone gray, this is dark blue, this is light blue, which is basically the cerulean blue, this is crimson red, this is flesh tint. This flesh tint is basically an orange, or you can say a saffron, a saffron orange color. This one, really pretty color. We have a foliage green, which is very, fresh young leaf color. This is dark green, this is light yellow, deep yellow, warm brown, scarlet red, and violet. So these are the 12 colors we get, but the main thing is we don't get a dark black and a white color. So for that, what I have done is I've got this Camel brand drawing ink, which is white color separately. It costed about 40 rupees from a local stationery shop that I bought it. I'm also going to get a black one just in case, but this black is working. I'll show you while doing a painting how the stone gray is acting up on layers as a black color. So these are the beautiful vibrant colors, guys. We really need little of the paint to go all the way, and I think these are really good as compared to our normal watercolors that we normally use, because for normal watercolors we layer it up into 1, 2, 3, 4, but if we are going for a very rich and intense colored look, these would be really good. Very, very good these would be. So here I'll quickly show how these react when you use it with water. So I'll just experiment with two colors right now. Let me just experiment with the yellow color and a black and show you exactly how these react with water, so that you know that these are watercolors and can be reactivated by applying water again. So if I'm taking 2 drops of this yellow color, okay, it came out muddy due to the water. So if I'm applying, okay, forget that, I'll just apply this yellow once again. So if I'm applying this yellow color and let it dry, And if I apply black on top of it, applying black on top of it, or stone black. If suppose I do this, and once this is dry, if I put on, do you see this yellow bleeded into the black and the black moved aside? This is exactly what happens. So look at this black color. Now if both are dry right now, if I put in some water, do you see how it started to bleed? So it does get reactivated with water. So you can actually just go ahead and put some more yellow onto it, and this will act as if the black never existed. See? You can lift up the colors this way. So this is really good, does behave like a watercolor, and very highly pigmented, great for vibrant colors, just in one shot. You don't have to layer it. Okay, so now let me quickly go ahead and do a painting for you all to show you a demo of how it's going to look if we do a very nice concentrated painting. Alright, this gorgeous painting is now done. I've actually used wet on wet technique also, but that is not required. You can directly apply it onto the dry paper and you can get these vibrant colors. So guys, this was something we did right away, and yesterday as a first swatch I had done this painting on an A4 size sheet, and look at the vibrancy of colors. I was so in love with it. So you have to just handle it with a lot of care. Just make sure it doesn't spill, as it is going to stain everything it will fall onto. So you have to be very careful while using it, but this is amazing. You can get some gorgeous colors with it, and definitely worth your money. So this comes for 450 rupees on Amazon. The price keeps fluctuating, so you will get somewhere about 450 to 500 for a set of 12 colors. This is the brand Camlin. This is called as transparent photo colors. There are two types. One is solid, one is transparent. So these are transparent photo color inks. Go with these ones so that you can layer up one on top of the other. So I hope you enjoyed today's video for the review of this product, and I hope that you get these and we can do a lot of different kinds of paintings using these. Guys, let me know under the comments if you would like to see a video on the making of this particular painting, so that I can also plan out a same one for y'all as a tutorial. So thank you very much for joining me here. Hope to see you soon with the very next video step-by-step tutorial. Have a great day, guys. Bye-bye.